96 million Terra Classic burnt in one transaction, nearly 150 million on the weekend. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to the ClearCryptos. And Terra Luna Classic is burning a lot of tokens. Now let's get into this. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Terra Luna Classic, let me go and zoom in for this. Terra Classic Luna investors have continued to support the project as they hope to make Luna, or LUNC, viable again through the series of community efforts, including burns and staking. To make this a reality, investors have increased the rate at which they are burning the tokens with tens of millions of burns daily. Tens of millions, that's a lot. Now, per data shared by LUNC Burn Tracker, an unofficial Twitter account that covers various Luna Classic burns, nearly 150 million Luna Classic tokens have been incinerated by investors in less than 72 hours. That's a lot of burn. Now look at this here. According to the Luna Burn on September 17th, a total of that many, 26.5 million, were sent to the Luna Burn wallet. So look at this. So it's a lot of burn. They really want to make this a thing. They want to make this viable and reliable. The daily burn stat for Saturday, September 17th, look at that, $8,000 worth of Luna Burn, 36 increase, and then 79 burns at 4 BPH. Wow. One Luna and that. So they are burning a lot of them here. They want to do 96 million. Well, they already did 96 million Terra Luna Classic, burnt in one transaction, leading 150 million on the weekend. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching ClearCryptos. They want to burn a lot of Terra Classic to make this reliable and valuable. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.